So next up, guys, got a nice machine here. So this is a Vermeer V5750 trencher backhoe combo. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but only 1,200 hours, guys. Got the Deutz diesel motor, 18-inch backhoe bucket. It's got the outriggers, new tires all around that are excellent. That'd be a 7-foot trencher, 5-inch trench. Does have the 6-way blade up front. Coming in from a local county. We're actually picturing a whole group of equipment from them today. They do excellent maintenance, service, everything like that. So you know the oil's been changed on time and things have been done right. So we'll do a couple separate videos, but the first video we'll run the machine, the second video we'll do the backhoe. But I'm here with Isaac. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Fire's right up there. Rev it up just a little bit for you. He'll run the blade first. So it is a 6-way. Angle it side to side. Drop it, raise it. He'll do the 6-way. Run the backhoe for you. So it does have 4-wheel steering too. So the back tires are steering there. If you saw those pivot. I didn't see any leaks on this machine when I went around it and pictured it, guys. I think it's pretty dang dry. He'll run the backhoe both ways, or the trencher both ways. So he'll drive it just a little bit here for you. Show you the steering. So those are the back wheel steer there. And then you got your front wheel steer with the just with the steering wheel, obviously. Checks out very well, guys. Really low hour. County's only selling it because they just don't use it maybe as much over the last few years, but good running machine. So, there's the demo, guys. Vermeer V5750 trencher backhoe combo. Good luck, guys. It's auction time in Old 20 Auctions.